happening today? No shot. Nah, I don't believe it. I don't believe. No. For real? For real. January. Hold up, I gotta make a few calls.
Hello?
Hello?
Yo, I'm in the booth. I'm gonna call you right back.
Bro, no.
I'm at the studio, man.
You wanna hear this. You wanna hear this for sure. Taeyang from Big Bang is coming back.
Man, quit playing with me, man.
I'm sure I ain't playing with you.
For real, don't play like that.
Man, he don't believe me. I know it's hard to believe because everything, you know, YGB announces things.
Are you serious?
But I don't know really because you know how YGB with his announcements and sometimes it'll probably take. It says January.
How you know?
That's the thing, bro. I don't know because they be playing games sometimes.
Put that on everything.
What you talking about?
Damn. I'm gonna call you back. Every time I was in LA, I was with my ex-girlfriend.
Oh damn, he's singing. Ah, I've been waiting for this day. Taeyang. If you guys don't know, my bias is Taeyang. My ultimate bias, if you still do that. I don't know. You K-pop fans, I don't know how you I don't know how you do. I don't know, actually. I feel like the new K-pop fans, I'm like, do we do the same thing? Do we got biases or we just like everybody? Taeyang from Big Bang got me into K-pop, first of all, if you guys know the story. I was lucky enough and blessed enough to be able to meet him a few times. He blessed me.
Yeah, thanks, man.
I think I say you're the
You saw me on my
guy, right?
reaction guy? You know me?
He's famous on YouTube.
What? Yo, high five, man.
Top birthday, congrats. Yes, famous guy.
In other news, RM dropped Indigo, his solo album. I've been waiting for this. I know my bias is Taehyung of BTS, you know? I like all the Taes, as you can tell, but I feel like if I were to ever able to talk to somebody, I would be RM. I feel like his mind is interesting. All their minds are interesting, actually. I've been very curious about RM's solo because the features, they got Erykah Badu. I feel like Erykah Badu don't work with everybody. RM and Erykah Badu? Now I heard a little bit of it last night when it dropped, and I'm excited to hear it again in today's Twitch stream. Yes, right now I'm live on Twitch. We're gonna be checking out RM's solo MV Wildflower. We're gonna check out his album, and then we're gonna probably check out the Melon Music Award performances if you guys are down. So right now, as you see this video, I'm live on Twitch. Go check it out, say hi, and yeah, what a great day today.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.